what was it that made you decide to take your massage therapy training through ACMT?
Well, when people ask me this, it's kind of funny because I I meet I have met a lot of people that have said like I've always wanted to be a massage therapist and I've always wanted to be in this industry. I've never wanted to be in the medical field at all. Asked me 10 years ago, I probably would have been like, ugh, right? Like hands off. But it's been a journey for me. I've been in retail for a lot of years. I don't want to age myself too much, but for long enough that I realized I didn't want to retire in that industry. And I was on a personal journey